Up first this evening, a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is now in custody and is facing serious sexual abuse charges. Information from detectives attached to the Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, SOCA, are that the policeman sexually molested a 15-year-old boy while the teen was behind bars. Now, details are sketchy, but a source told TVJ News that the teen was in a holding cell at a St. Anne police station when the constable went inside and molested the boy. An identification parade was held this week, and the constable was positively pointed out. The policeman is expected to be charged soon. The police have discovered another major cooking gas refilling operation in Portmore, St. Catherine, after discovering a similar operation in the municipality 2 months ago. They say one person attached to the business has been arrested and that they have expanded their investigation into the matter.
In April, the police attached to the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime CTOC arrested the operator of an illegal cooking gas refilling station along Helsher Road in Portmore. Yesterday, CTOC discovered a similar operation at Belmore Lands in Portmore, St. Catherine, this time in Christian Penn, Gregory Park. The police say the Christian Penn operation is different in that it's highly sophisticated.
They have the weights, they have the pumps, they have the required attachment to fill the cooking gas cylinders. And in doing so, they have also the seals that after filling these cylinders, they attach the seals to, to imply as if it is from the trusted source.
The police say even though the total setup of the refilling station is far superior to the other on Helsher Road, that doesn't make it any more safer or legal.
And behind me, there's a tank. The tank and the truck in front of you contains approximately 50,000 liters of LPG, right? So, and if you notice, they connect the hose from the tank to the filling apparatus behind you, and then they would conduct the operation.
Assistant Superintendent Victor Barrett says his team has an eye out for similar illegal cooking gas refilling stations and is warning persons wanting to venture into the cooking gas refilling business to do the correct thing.
Because for one to operate a refilling station, a refilling plant, one has to obtain a permit, and the requisite oversight body has to come in place. They have to do their due diligence. For example, NEPA is responsible for ensuring that the safety standards are in place. So they must be approved by NEPA, and this is not the case here. There is no approval from no one, neither by the local municipal corporation nor NEPA.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.